Hello, this is Master Tineo, and in today's lesson, you will learn in pattern shapes how to make designs from outlines. You already know you can use the shapes to design whatever you want using the shapes. But did you know that there are outlines, meaning like examples that you can just fill with blocks? Just press here below, and here are outlines to fill. You can use them to fill the black spaces. There are easy ones, like these ones, where you just have to complete the black spaces with the shapes so that no black spots are left. This is one example. Or you can try something more challenging with a shape like, for example, the turtle, the boat, the llama, the boat, the car. Let's choose the boat. So here is more challenging. You will have to pick shapes that fit the model. You will have to try your best. Sometimes you have to rotate the shapes so they fit better in place. This way you can just complete like this. Let's try different shapes here. Like this. As you can see, it gets more challenging as you advance. Of course, if you ever make a mistake or if you use a shape that does not belong, you can always put it back and try again with a different shape. Some of the outlines you choose can be more challenging. Others are easier. You can start with the easy ones, but then try with something more challenging, something more rewarding for you to finish when you finish successfully. Doesn't matter if you make mistakes. The most important, remember, is that you persevere, that you try as many times as you need until you get it right. I'm almost complete now with these shapes. A little bit more. As you can see, I have to use a lot of shapes to complete this part. Okay, and now I'm just missing this part below. I'll try to fill it with some blue ones. And I wonder what can I use, because I cannot put this here. Maybe this here. Oh, I can use more triangles maybe, like this, until you complete the shape. When you finish, don't forget to take your screenshot to demonstrate your work. Now it's time for you to try. Remember, you pick the outlines here and you try your best to fill the black spaces. Good luck!